today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ConvertKit with Framer 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll have the ConvertKit form block added to your Framer project so you can start capturing email subscribers right inside your site design. We'll keep things simple and focused so you always know exactly where you are and what to look for on screen. First, go to Framer, open it in your browser or desktop app, and make sure your project is visible on the canvas. Any page or frame where you want a sign-up form will do. If you're working on a landing page or blog layout, consider choosing a clear spot with enough white space so the form stands out and is easy to interact with. A clean, high-contrast area helps with readability and accessibility, which is important for conversions. Next, click on Insert. You'll find the Insert option in the Framer interface, and it brings up the components and blocks you can drop into your design. Think of this as your toolbox. If you've never used it before, the Insert panel is where most structure, content, and interactive elements live, so it's the fastest path to consistent, reusable parts. Now click on Forms. This narrows the panel to items designed for collecting user input, like names and email addresses. Sticking to the Forms category keeps you focused on elements that already handle the basics of inputs, states, and validation patterns, which saves a lot of time compared to building fields from scratch. Finally, click on Kit. This is the ConvertKit form block inside Framer. Selecting Kit adds a ready-to-use ConvertKit embed to your canvas so you can visually place it where it belongs in your layout. You'll see a default form structure appear, which you can design around just like any other block in Framer. Because it's added as a component, it inherits your layout rules, making it easier to keep spacing and hierarchy consistent with the rest of your page. At this point, you should see the ConvertKit form represented in your project. If your canvas looks busy, zoom in briefly to confirm the block's position and alignment. Keep an eye on contrast, touch targets, and error messaging areas to maintain a smooth experience for both desktop and mobile visitors. If your design system uses specific text sizes or button styles, it's helpful to keep the form visually aligned with those patterns so it feels native to your site. That's all there is to it. Go to Framer, click Insert, click Forms, and click Kit. You've now integrated a ConvertKit form block into your Framer project and set the stage for streamlined email collection within your design workflow.